Ni mohoro maitu gitao guku gwa Kameme TV twagikiuga ni ngatho ni kunyitanira hamwe na ithwe ni ngeto Nungari wa Kamau handu-ini ha mubi wa Wanyuike na tugikire na Wangui wa Mwangi gukoroge utamburukie mweko emwe nginyagia cikaro-ini kuria murugamiriri munene wa ihinda ruhonge-ini rwa KEMSA Edward Njoroge arathie na mbere kuhungo mahuri mwena wa mbunge na kwa ihinda riri reke gutamburukie mwena ucio na maragithie na mbere wikihungo mahuri kumana na ndeto igi hutheri wa kigina gia kuhitana na COVID-19 tuyuke mwena ucio nigetha twikiamukire mamwe mamare marathie na mbere kwiyumiria.
Got some as early as last week, so we still have them in stock.
And then when these donations are given to you, are they given with prior commitments and demands that this is where we want you to take them to?
Yes, we await instructions from the Ministry of Health.
So they're the ones who tell you where to take these items to?
Correct.
Okay. Maybe just out of curiosity, what is the ballpark figure of donations that are in stock?
We can't tell the value because we only get units.
Okay, but right now, the ones that are in stock, have you been given instructions of where they should go?
For the ones that are in stock, not yet.
Yeah, we are in emergency. Children are going to school and we have an undecided ministry. Yes?
Mr. Chairman, in fact, that's the reason why I've been raising my hand. That there were donations that came in. And there were specific areas that had serious disasters, both flooding and COVID. In fact, as I'm talking to you, last Saturday in Budalang, we buried 5 COVID cases. Because people, in fact, these are the problems that possibly Baringo is facing in those areas of Nyaka. The donations came in, KEMSA stuck with the donations. They could not consider those areas that were hit by disasters till today. And now COVID has come in a big way, because these people are staying in makeshift camps and in schools. What arrangements are you doing since you receive these things on donations? What arrangements are you making to come to this, to see how you can also help these people who are hit by the disaster, who collapse, their houses collapsed, their belongings were carried away by water, they have no homes, they are staying in makeshift camps to receive these donations?
Of course, Honorable Angela, we're going to have the CS and the PS as well. They're going to be coming. These are questions that I think we'll be directing to them, because these guys here are only told where to take those donations. So we will ask them, but I want us to be able to go on to the next item, which is the issue of red flags indicating potential. No. Query number 6, please read it out.
Red flags indicating potential procurement fraud. The commitment letters were issued to companies which indicated the ability to supply the PPEs within the given time period. At this point, and due to the urgency, the experience in supplying the PPEs was not a requirement. Okay,
I need to ask you this question for purposes of time. You're saying that which indicated the ability to supply. How did they indicate the ability to supply if they don't have the experience or anything?
Chair, capacity was not assessed at that time. The commitment letters were just issued on the basis of the supplier saying, yes, we have this and we are able to supply.
Let me read your own response. The commitment letters were issued to companies which indicated their ability. Indicated their ability was based on what? Just by their word of mouth?
Yes, Chair.
So someone could just come and say that I have the capacity to be able to supply. No technical or financial evaluations on this company was done.
Ko ne mweko emwe kuma cikaro-ini cia mbunge kuria murugamiriri munene wa ihinda thiini wa ruhonge rwa KEMSA guku bururi-ini Edward Njoroge aragithie na mbere gukihungo mahuri na aragikuhungo maruhuri ndeto-ini igi hutheri wa kigina gia kuhitana na murimo wa COVID-19 na mwandiki witu wa mohoro mora wa gunyagikire mwena ucio ni tukunyitanira nake nigetha aitutaririe maria mangi megwithie na mbere kwiyumiria mwena ucio. Tugitigana na icio nige tutamburuke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Laikipia na ikaria kaunti ino ni mathingatetwo mathina mbere kurumira mitaratara ira igathikitwo ya guteithiriria kunyihia gutherema gwa COVID-19. Ritana riri rirutetwo ni minister wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini iyo na kwa ihinda riri tunyitanire na mwandiki witu wa mohoro Muthoni wa Kere na njira ya mweko magitutariria maundu uria matariĩ thiini wa kaunti ino ya Laikipia. Muthoni geitheka muno makiria moroni waku tutaririe maria marathie na mbere kwiyumiria mwena ucio.
Thegio ndirakwamukira wega kuma kaunti ya Laikipia kuria tugukorwo tukimurika hihi uria murimo wa king'uki gia COVID-19 ukoretwo githerema na njira nene kaunti-ini ino na namba ya andu aria makirwarite murimo uyu igagikorwo igithie na iguru na njira nene na tunyitanire na uria ukiri afitha wa ugima mwega wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino ya Laikipia Dr. Nungari uria ugikorwo gitwira hihi na beno ikinyiria andu aigana na niki hihi gicungireire na beno gugikorwo igithie na iguru na njira nene.
Thengio Muthoni na andu ake Kameme twina gikeno muno ni kuga ati ni mukite gututeithia kuhurana na COVID-19. Njitagwo ndagitari Renai wa Kamario ni nie minister wa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa kaunti ya Laikipia. Gukinyia thaa ici tukoretwo na arwaru magana matandatu ma 33 thiini wa kaunti ya Laikipia. No kiria ndirenda kwira andu a Laikipia ni ati ukinyia mweri wa mugwanja twari na andu atatu. No riria Nairobi kwahingũrirwo na kuria kungi gukiongerereka cases icio nginya mweri wa kenda turari na andu 200 ma kindu. No kuma mweri wa kenda nginya thaa ici mongererekete andu 400 ma 35. Koguo arora cases icio ni cirathi na mbere kuongerereka gukinyia December twahota na gukorwo turorete ngiri. Koguo andu no nginya makirore ati mekire protocol iria twiritwo ni thirikari na guidelines iria twiritwo ni thirikari andu marore muno na mafuate maundu macio. Na ningi haria 633 acio turoiga 15 ni matutigite yani magakua na giki ni kindu turoiga ni kieha kinene na ni turera andu aria makirusite their loved one poleni sana, but ni turera andu mekire system na mafuate protocol iria cigekiritwo ni thirikari hari guthambia moko, gutumira ningi maski, gutumira sanitizer na guthie kuri muingi andu matige na tukurora social distance iria turerwo riria andu mari hamwe na andu aria angi.
Thengio muno ndagitari ngikire hihi ugitutarie niki gicungireire na beno kana na beno ya arwaru aria me gicigo-ini giki gukorwo yongererekete na njira nene.
Ni turona andu matirafuata muno sheria iria tumerite cia public health na ningi iria munene wa bururi atwirite andu mafuate. Ni turenda andu mafuate sheria icio ciothe mamenye covid ikuo na ni turona andu makirwara andu magithie ICU ona andu magikua mamenye covid ikuo.
Thengio muno makiria Muthoni kuma kaunti-ini ya Laikipia githie na mbere gwitutariria ciigie murimo wa COVID-19 magikire na minister wa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa kaunti ya Laikipia. Kwa ihinda riri gutamburukia nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Naikuru na itemini ria gukungwira muthi wa murimo wa cukari thi ng'ima o ndomwe na kugitira muingi kumana na homa ya COVID-19. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru niambikite ithimi tari marihi cia murimo wa cukari kuhaisha o ndomwe na guteithiriria muingi gukorwo makigitira kumana na murimo uyu.